Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add verification in Payoneer account. First, go to the my account.payoneer.com and then after that, click on your profile and then click on settings. Now, click on verification center. And to keep your Payoneer account running smoothly, you need to verify your address. Now, click on Submit. Scroll all the way down and here is what you need to do. Choose which document you're about to submit, whether it is utility bill, bank documents, and click on this to upload the file. And after that, click on Submit button. Now, you need also to do your receiving account questionnaire, but since I already submitted, we will be able to see it on the History section. In History tab, it allows you to monitor the status of documents you've submitted for verification. Here you can view each document current status such as under review, approved, or rejected. And that's how to add a verification in your Payoneer account. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.